So I removed the cluster and steering wheel yet again, and the reason for that is because the light switch. So I removed it from here and you have to pull it from behind, and unfortunately, just like everything else in this car, I've noticed there is no slack on any wiring, no matter what way I look at it. Even if I try and pull it around this way, there's no slack because the wiring is down below underneath. I've tried to pull at it, nope, it doesn't want to move. So I have to work inside where the cluster would be and disconnect all these wires because this switch is completely seized. I've tried to spin it, doesn't move, and this side of it is actually broken. So I have a replacement. Now it's slightly different layout, but all the codes are there for the wires, so I know every connection is there, so it just might be in a slightly different order. But when I'm turning this rotary switch, it should work the same way. But yeah, this is going to be a little bit complex. There's 13 connections, and I just need to make sure I do it properly. But also, to add to the challenge is that lack of space. So, but yeah, we'll see how we get on. First row of connections. There's another layer of connections. I need to pull this cover off and remove more wires on this, and they're all coded thankfully, so then putting it back, or putting the other switch back together, should be kind of fun. But yeah, okay, let's go. Okay, just managed to pull that little cover off. Again, very tight, but use the flathead to pry it out. I've got a few more connections you can see there. So yeah, I'm going to remove these. And that is it, finally out. So you can see there's, if you count there, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 connections. This guy here, it will not rotate, it's completely stuck. I don't know whether water got in or what, but it didn't seem damp, it just would not spin. So yeah. Okay, quite a bit of time later, I have the inner connections on. So it's ground, front fog lights, rear fog lights. So it's like N, S, E, N, S, N and 31. 31 is ground. But yeah, okay, they're in. So I have to work on these, and you may have noticed I've improvised slightly. So there was a speaker here, it was actually in bits. Let me show you. I don't know how old that is. It says Clarion. It's a recognizable brand, but it's definitely seen better days. There's a year on it. Oh, yeah, I don't know how old it is. But anyway, so yeah, that's the way I've improvised because there's no slack. So I just put it through here and I just move the stock up and down as I'm trying to work from this side or from this side. So yeah, getting there. Okay, that seems to be everything connected. So we can focus that. The last one, which is for power, the 30, was the hardest one to do. But anyway, I think I have everything in. 57 is a blank, and yeah, that's 57 there. Now there's only one screw here, so I don't know whether I should have done this, but I put everything into the one there rather than the two. But correct me if I'm wrong. Any feedback or comments are more than welcome. But yeah, I'm going to test this now and see if it works, or else it was hours wasted. No, hopefully it works. See you now. Let go. Press again. Lovely. Not a drop. There's not a drop of water inside. No water dropping here. It needs a vacuum, but yeah. Looks like we're all good. The seals have done the trick. It's really nice. Happy out. Brilliant. Press it in. Bone dry. You can see the fresh seals. That's definitely done the trick. Brilliant.